time. He tries to pass through to Messi. Leo Messi rounds the goalkeeper as easy as that. So score a penalty earlier today, and Leo Messi match him. Goal number 31 sends the goalkeeper the wrong way.
Losing there. Messi again. He's just got superhuman powers. Don't forget another one, and there's Messi again. It's that old cliche regarding Ronaldo. Whatever you can do, I can do better. And he's eclipsed him once again. Ronaldo would have got the headlines from this morning, but tomorrow's papers, yes, they will be about Ronaldo.
Looking to step over the ball all deal. He's tackled himself this and lost out to Messi, and he's not even able to bring Messi down. Messi, layers. Messi just walks through.
Messi leaves the midfield on the floor. And again, Harrison's there. He is so nimble and so strong as well. Great balance. A little mindful. It's Messi. Excellent control. Just holds up Tomte as if he's not there. This is brilliant. Look at the balance. They kick him, but he just keeps going. There it is. For Pedro. Pedro. Good cross, Messi. He's a goal back, isn't it? It's to do with the spring and the timing. Look at this from Messi. Look at this run.
He leaves one, he leaves two for them. Takes on three, takes on four, beats the goalkeeper.
Here we go.
87 goals in 3 years. He's put them on a plate for him. Messi! Oh, my trick again!
Oh, there it is.
Messi's there. He's passed one again. He dances with the defender. He takes them all on.
Found himself, he's coming on. Messi sets himself on the warm-up. There's no way he's fit, Messi. Absolutely no way he's fit. He's massively concerned about the state of his muscle injury. Is it going on? This game's going to get very interesting now. Calm down, I'm on. Messi.
Superbly rifled home, and Barcelona back in it, courtesy of the Pedro pile driver.
Whether Messi is fit or not, the injection of speed into that attack from his dribble, absolutely brilliant. Tied to his foot the ball, the pass into David Villa, the sense of awareness to know where Pedro is.
The extraordinary effects, the extraordinary powers of Lionel Messi. He's clearly not fit, but he's come on and given the impetus to Barcelona to turn this around and take a place in the semi-finals away from Paris Saint-Germain. He played his part in setting up the equalising goal on the night, and in the end, the little man just made the difference in me, Gary.
He did, like you say, I forget his performance to change the psychology and mentality of all of your teammates and the whole stadium, just by coming onto the pitch, just recognise how special.
The elbow, what is it? He's holding his face.
Rakitic leaves it for Messi. Messi full steam ahead. Brilliant, brilliant, brilliant! Lionel Messi!
Aligns with Casemiro again. That's a foul. You could easily have booked him for that. And that's why I said the first foul was a silly one.
Oh, Messi. It's one of those tackles where Ramos had committed himself to the ball. Oh, straight red! Ramos is off! Well, the referee didn't even consider that. Kovacic is taking one for the team. Jordi Alba. Lionel Messi!
Oh my goodness!
Lionel Messi does it again! It's superhuman!
Oh my goodness, you cannot write the script for this, Rob. This is unbelievable stuff. Look at the faces of the Real Madrid fans and the Real Madrid players. Unbelievable. He's going to get booked, but he don't care.
He's the best there is. He's the best that ever has been. Possibly the best that ever will.
It's led by Bernat. It's led by Messi! He makes the difference for Barcelona. Here he is again. That's astonishing.